Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a unique drink item that is available in Japan right now in the spring and now getting into summertime, of course. And this is a beverage made by Asahi brand. They also make beer and lots of other things too. And this is called a clear latte. The general image of the bottle kind of tells you what it is. It's supposed to be, and I have never had this before, so I'm going to try some and see what it's like. It's clear espresso and milk. So its calorie section is light. There's no caffeine. There's no fat apparently and stuff like that. So it's supposed to be a good healthy way to enjoy this drink. Now, I really don't understand for sure if this is true or not. I'm kind of curious because it is literally, looks just like water, but supposedly is going to taste like coffee. I was curious here. It's natural mineral water, and then it looks like maybe there's some kind of a coffee flavoring to it. So I'm going to open it up and see what it's like. This was actually at the store, and it was actually like in the super discounted section because I don't think it's selling that well. So maybe we'll find out why when we drink it. Let's see. I'm kind of nervous. You'd think because something's clear it would make it seem better for you because there's no weird things to it, but let's see here. Well, that is as clear as water there. Let's see what it smells like. That smells like coffee. Okay, I'm a little worried now. Let's see what it tastes like here. Hold on, you guys. Okay, it tastes like coffee, candy, and that is, you know, really watered down and really cold and watery flavored tasting in your mouth. So it's really strange. You know, it's not like a normal cold coffee because that tastes like coffee. This has a very clear water feel to it when you're drinking it. And it's really sweet, which I don't particularly like. I don't like sweet coffee flavors in general, but it's weird. I don't know. I suppose I could see a bunch of people really liking it and then other people totally hating it. So there's tons of coffee drinks in Japan always because Japan is this coffee loving place. So you can kind of, you know, expect to find things like this here and there. So if you happen to be visiting in the summer and you see it around, you can give it a try. It's oddly refreshing, I can say that. But it does have a kind of pretty sweet aftertaste. When you're drinking it, you're sort of like, wait a second, that's coffee flavor right there. That's kind of weird. Yeah, I'm not really sure what my vote is on it. I didn't say, oh my God, that's disgusting, but a little weird, yeah. If it was the only thing on the room to drink and it was ice cold, I'd drink it, definitely. But, so kind of keep that in mind if you guys get a chance to try it out. Definitely one of the many unique drinks that you can enjoy here if you get a chance to visit. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.